everyone, so in this video I'm gonna make fried potato with chili sauce. You'll need 2 cups of diced potato. Don't forget to soak the potato after you cut them unless it will get brown. And then half cup of string bean. And now we need to deep fry the potato. Fry them until they become tender inside and then the outside like soft, but it's enough to hold the texture. Meanwhile, we prepare the seasoning. Here you'll need 5 small shallots. If you don't have shallot, you can always use onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and chili or pepper. Here I'm using sweet pepper because this is for my daughter. If you want it to be spicy, add chili, and then half of tomato. Grind them all in the blender until they become puree like this one. So here you can see the potato is not that crunchy, it's still soft. When you're done frying all of your potato, and now we are ready to fry the seasoning puree. Just fry in the same pan with a little bit of oil in medium-high heat. Here I'm adding some of curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaf, you can add kaffir lime leaf or other herbs, it doesn't matter. Half tablespoon of sugar. I like it to be somewhat sweet, not that sweet, but you know, it's like umami sweet. Add a little bit of MSG. I like MSG, it makes the food nicer. And then a white pepper powder and mushroom seasoning powder. You can skip MSG and seasoning powder if you don't like, but I like it so I use it. Because the seasoning powder is already salty, I just add small amount of salt to make, you know, everything balanced. And then after all the seasoning, we add the string bean inside and cook the sauce or the puree until they becoming dry. As you can see here, it's dry, and it means we have to put the potato now. Just stir them up until they are all coated by the sauce. You can enjoy it with rice or eat it by itself. Alright, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.